Ever wondered how to sell your AI art online? Well, today I'm introducing Wirestock, the platform that makes selling images, even AI-generated ones, a breeze. As a stock photographer, I'm always on the hunt for tools to streamline content submission, especially the keywording. I hate keywording. And I found the ultimate tool. And a big thanks to Wirestock for sponsoring this video today. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting, join me to see how Wirestock simplifies selling. And don't worry, even if you're not selling your images, you can showcase your work with Wirestock's free portfolio. Stick around to the end for exclusive tips on preparing images and some exciting surprises from Wirestock that you won't want to miss. Let's meet Wirestock. It's a platform that simplifies selling your photos and illustrations, including your AI creations, to stock agencies like Adobe Stock, Deposit Photos, 123RF, and more. With Wirestock, you upload your images once, and they take care of the rest. Earn royalties when your images are purchased without managing multiple accounts or really doing any extra work at all. Here's how it works. You sign up for a free Wirestock account. Sign up is free and easy, and Wirestock guides you through the process. It's a snap. Upload your first image and then load more into your portfolio. This takes really just a couple of seconds, and then you're done. Really, you're done. Wirestock handles all the back-end work like tagging, distribution to the various agencies, sales tracking, and consolidating payments. You can even sell prints directly on Wirestock's site. Before uploading, here are some tips on getting your AI images ready for sale. Focus on choosing unique subjects. Selling stock photography demands unique, creative, and trending topics. Select only the best images that stand out. AI makes it easy to generate many images, but with stiff competition in the market, it's essential to choose only the very best and unique ones that stand out. Avoid certain content. Images with recognizable brands, people, places, that sort of thing won't likely be accepted for sale at stock photography agencies, but you can still add them to your portfolio and sell them directly through Wirestock. Wirestock has helpful content submission guidelines. I'll put a link in the description below. Before you upload, zoom in to check for things like dust spots or digital artifacts. Clean up all those messy little details. Whether you're using Photoshop or one of the free editing tools, make sure each image is refined and spotless for potential buyers. Before uploading, check the size of your image. The minimum size should be 3000 pixels on the long end. If you're using Midjourney, your images are probably too small. Some AI image generators have upscaling tools that increase image size, or you can use a third-party upscaler like Gigapixel AI. But there's a secret surprise baked into Wirestock if you have a premium plan. Try uploading a small image. Wirestock notes the small file size. Now just click the upscale button, and your file quadruples in size. Wirestock makes it so easy to upload images. Simply click Upload and choose a file. Wirestock accepts JPEGs, PNG, and TIFF files. Be sure to check the box identifying your image as AI generated. Not all stock agencies accept AI generated images, but don't worry about it. Wirestock will sort it out. Be open about AI generated content. If buyers like your image, they won't care, but no one likes to be fooled. Enter the image generator you used and the prompt. Unless you're using Midjourney or DALL-E, you're probably using a stable diffusion-based AI image generator. You can leave all the work of titling, describing, and tagging to Wirestock with easy upload. Or you can switch over to manual and enter the information about your image yourself. You may want to add a descriptive caption to accompany the image in your portfolio. Now click Post. The image appears instantly in your portfolio. In the background, Wirestock checks to see if your image is acceptable to the various stock agencies. This takes a few days, so be patient. But even if your image isn't accepted by a stock agency, you can still sell the image directly from your portfolio. Your customers can buy the digital file or a print. Wirestock makes it easy for both the creator and the customer. Ready to spark your creativity? Wirestock hosts daily AI challenges that you can enter with just a click. It's not only a fantastic way to gain exposure, but also an opportunity to win some prize money. Plus, your submitted image automatically becomes part of your portfolio and may be considered for various stock agencies. Could Wirestock get any easier? Well, the answer is yes. Wirestock has a Discord bot. With the premium plan, you can generate images and even send Midjourney images directly from Discord to Wirestock. Really? Let me show you how. Use the link in the description below to add the Wirestock bot to your personal server. Then choose your server and authorize the bot. Go to your account settings and find your Discord token. In Discord, type /login in the message bar and paste in your token. Type /imagine and you can create images with Wirestock. To send an image from Discord to Wirestock, go to the More tab and choose Apps. Choose Wirestock Upscale from the list. Now kick back and let the bot do your work. The image lands in your portfolio instantly. It's already labeled as AI with the prompt and is being reviewed for the stock agencies before you can blink. And along the way, your images are upscaled automatically. You can use Wirestock for free if you only want to post a few images each month. But once you try Wirestock, you'll be seriously tempted to sign up for more. You can upload more images, control pricing, and create larger upscales. You get 85% of every sale, but Wirestock is earning every bit of their 15% cut. I'd be happy to pay more if I didn't have to keyword another image. And Wirestock is generously offering you 20% off the premium plan just because you're watching this video. So use the code MAKING20 when you sign up. Where has Wirestock been all my life? Wirestock is a major time-saving platform. I can't even think of a feature I'd wish for. Wirestock is one of the easiest programs I've used. It makes the headache of selling stock photography a breeze. And even if you don't want to sell images, it's a great place to collect your best work into a portfolio. If you like the images in this video, go to my Wirestock portfolio and they're yours. You don't need to post images to 10 different platforms. Wirestock does all the work for you. You'll instantly expand your exposure across platforms and no checking individual stock agencies to see if you sold anything. Wirestock streamlines royalty payments all in one place. Give Wirestock a try and let us know your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Making the Photo for more tips and tricks on AI-generated images. This is Jen at Making the Photo. Let's make something amazing together.